Hello, children. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, I'm Miss Tina, the class teacher of Std.3. So, children, today we are here to do chapter number 8 of EVS 1, that is, our need for water. Children, have you noticed that when we cry, tears flow from our eyes and our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pot? Our nose runs when we have a cold. And when we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us, children? It tells us that tears, saliva, water running from the nose, and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow and they contain water. Now, children, let us try a small activity. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it with a grater, and squeeze it hard. Take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. What do you see, children? We see the juice flows out from the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. What does this tell us? It tells us that there is water in a cucumber and a lemon. Now, children, we need water if our body has to function well, isn't it? Because water keeps our blood thin and water helps to digest our food as well. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. So we must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty, isn't it? And like us, other living things too need water. Now, children, look at this picture. It is a public source of water. And what do you see in this picture, children? We see animals drinking water in the river bank, and we see children playing in the river. Some people are carrying water to their home. And children, in many villages, cows, buffaloes, and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like the lapwing, kingfishers, and egret can also be seen around the water source. People from the village wash their clothes in it and they carry water to use at home. And that is why the water in the public source has to be kept clean. Now, children, people who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail, isn't it? And we know that these animals too get thirsty. But there are thousands of other animals, children, and we don't even realize that they are also thirsty and they too need water. Like the ant, the honeybee, crabs, and scorpions are all these other animals that need water. And children, why do we go near a water hole in a jungle? To see wild animals? Wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. Sight means to see. Now, children, there is a great importance of water, you see. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking, cleaning, and we need water for agriculture and industry as well. So water is very important in our lives. Now children, let us try one more activity. We need to take two potted plants. Label them as 1 and 2. Remember, these potted plants should be of equal growth. Now, every morning for the next 5 days, water only plant 1. Do not water plant 2. What do you see, children? Plant 2, which was not watered, slowly dries up, and plant 1 looks fresh and green. And what does this tell us? This tells us that plants need water to live. We water our potted plants, right? But farmers water the crops in their field as well. Could these plants live without water, children? No, plants cannot live without water. That is why we see that plants, like animals, need water, and so we should water them from time to time. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. And from where do they get the water they need, children? They get water from the rain. So rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of the plants spread deep into the soil, and these roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. Some plants, like the bulrushes, grow only in water. We can try our best to grow them in soil, but they cannot survive there. The lotus, the water chestnut are also plants that grow in water. So children, that's it about this lesson. I hope you all have understood it well. So thank you for watching the video, children. Until then, stay home and stay safe until we meet in our next video. Thank you, children, and bye.